If your strawberries turn moldy after 2 days, your spinach becomes a slimy mess, or your lemons and oranges dry out before you can use them, you're probably storing them wrong. And the worst part? Most people are accidentally making their produce spoil faster without even realizing it. But today, I'm going to show you simple, science-backed storage tricks that can keep your strawberries, spinach, and citrus fresh dramatically longer, saving you money, reducing waste, and keeping your produce tasting better. All right, let's start with the #1 heartbreaker, the one that empties our wallets the fastest: strawberries. We have all been there. You buy a gorgeous clamshell of vibrant red strawberries, and 48 hours later, the fuzz has arrived. What if I told you that you could make those same berries last for over a week, looking just as fresh as the moment you bought them? The secret isn't complicated, but it goes against what most of us do. The absolute #1 enemy of a strawberry is moisture. Moisture is the welcome mat for mold. One of the biggest mistakes people make with strawberries is washing them the moment they get home, and then storing them before they're completely dry. That extra moisture trapped on the surface creates the perfect environment for mold growth. So if you don't have time to properly dry your strawberries afterward, then don't wash them yet. It's actually better to store them dry and wash them right before eating. Here's the method that has been a total game changer for me. First, the moment you get home, open that container and do a quick inspection. If you see any berries that are already bruised, soft, or showing the tiniest hint of mold, get them out of there. One bad berry will absolutely take the rest of the batch down with it. Now for the next part. Ditch the plastic clamshell they came in. The absolute best container for storing strawberries is a simple, clean, and totally dry glass jar. A mason jar is perfect. Glass is non-porous and doesn't hold on to moisture or odors like plastic can. Before you put the berries in, grab a single dry paper towel and pop it in the bottom of the jar. It will wick away any tiny bit of condensation, keeping the environment inside perfectly dry. Next, gently place your unwashed dry strawberries into the jar. Don't pack them in too tightly. You want a little air to circulate. Just a loose pile will do. Once they're in, loosely cover the container, and then place them in the main part of your refrigerator. If you want to wash your strawberries before storing them, here's the best way to do it. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 3 parts water. Then soak the strawberries for about 2 minutes. This helps reduce mold spores and surface microbes that can cause the berries to spoil quickly. After soaking, rinse the strawberries gently under cool water. Now comes the most important step. Dry them completely. Use paper towels or a salad spinner first. Then allow them to air dry until there's absolutely no moisture left on the surface, because even tiny amounts of leftover moisture can dramatically speed up spoilage. Once fully dry, transfer the strawberries into a clean glass jar lined with a dry paper towel. Done properly, this simple method can keep strawberries fresher, firmer, and mold-free much longer than just leaving them in the original container. If you're already having a little light bulb moment thinking about all the strawberries you're about to save, just wait until we get to the spinach and citrus. And if you're enjoying tips like these, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I share simple, science-backed kitchen hacks that help your food last longer, reduce waste, and save you money. Okay, next up is the leafy green that's notorious for becoming a bag of disappointment: spinach. We buy these big bags with the best intentions, but all too often, we open the fridge to find a puddle of green slime. It's gross, wasteful, and totally avoidable. With the right method, you can make that fresh spinach last for weeks. Just like with strawberries, the enemy is moisture. But here, it's a little different. Spinach leaves naturally release moisture as they sit. When they're trapped in that plastic bag from the store, that moisture has nowhere to go. It pools at the bottom, suffocating the leaves and creating the perfect swamp for the bacteria that creates that dreaded slime. So, the first rule of spinach storage is simple. Get it out of the original bag. Here's what you do instead. You'll need a large, airtight container. Now, grab a few sheets of paper towel. This is your most important tool in the fight against slime. Line the bottom of your container with a layer of paper towels. Take your spinach and place a handful on top of the paper towels. Keep it light and airy. Then, place another layer of paper towels on top of that spinach. Then, more spinach, and so on. The final layer on top should be a paper towel. What you're creating is a system that wicks away that excess moisture as the leaves release it. The paper towels absorb all the condensation, keeping the leaves themselves dry, crisp, and fresh. Seal the container tightly and place it in your refrigerator's crisper drawer. You will be floored by how well this works. A week later, your spinach will be as crisp and vibrant as the day you bought it. No slime, no wilting, just perfect greens. If you ever notice the paper towels are getting super damp, just swap them out for fresh ones. This trick works for all sorts of leafy greens too, like spring mix and arugula. Finally, let's talk citrus. Lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruits. These are the workhorses of the kitchen. And most of us, myself included, for years, store them in a beautiful bowl on the counter. For a few days, this is fine. But for the long term, they start to get hard, dry, or even moldy. They begin to lose water through their peel, and the flavor gets dull, the juice disappears, and you end up with a sad shadow of what you bought. The solution is so profoundly simple. Put them in the refrigerator. Moving your citrus from the countertop to the cold of your fridge will extend its life from a mere week to an incredible 3 to 4 weeks. The science is simple. Cold temperatures dramatically slow down the aging process. It slows water loss, so the fruit stays plump and juicy, and it stops mold from growing. You can store them loose in the crisper drawer, or in a mesh bag for better air circulation. Just avoid sealing them in a plastic bag, as that will trap moisture and make them spoil faster. This shift from the counter to the crisper is one of the most effective zero-effort changes you can make. So, let's recap the 3 simple, powerful changes. First, our strawberries are now living in a dry, airtight glass jar in the fridge, staying perfectly fresh for a week or more. Second, our spinach is lovingly layered with paper towels in a sealed container, keeping it crisp and slime-free for well over 10 days. And third, our beautiful citrus has moved from the countertop into the low-humidity crisper drawer, extending its vibrant life for up to a month. Now I want to hear from you. What's the one food item you struggle to store the most? Drop it in the comments below, and let's troubleshoot together. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps other people find it. And be sure to subscribe for more simple, practical ways to save money and make your life easier. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.